In this video, we're going to learn about sizes of fractions. So if you have a problem like this that says which fraction is less, 5 over 6 or 4 over 6? So the best way to do these problems is to draw a picture. So we can see here that both of these have a denominator of 6. So that means that there's 6 equal parts for both of them, right? So there's 6 equal parts here and 6 equal parts here. So for the 5 over 6 or 5/6, you just shade in 5 of the 6 equal parts. For 4/6, you shade in 4 of the equal parts. So as I said, both shapes have 6 equal parts and are the same size. So the parts in the first shape are the same size as the parts in the second shape. Less of the second shape is colored, right? There's less colored here. So 4/6 is less than 5/6. So we know the answer is 4/6. So let's circle that with green. So this is the less fraction, the fraction that's worth less.